Welcome to WebStarPress. In this video, I will show you how to use quick words in Roblox chat. Have you noticed that Roblox chat has been heavily moderated lately? Sometimes it feels like you can't say much at all, but Roblox has introduced a new feature that makes chatting much easier. No matter what age group you are in, you can now use quick words in chat. These are safe, pre-made phrases that work for everyone. They are great for communicating with other players in most situations, and they are much faster than typing everything yourself. Here is how to use them. Open chat by tapping or hover over the chat icon. Then click or tap the lightning bolt icon. This opens quick words menu. The phrases are organized into three categories: general, coordination, and play. Simply click any quick word to send it instantly in chat. Let's send this. Good game. Messages sent this way include a lightning bolt icon, so everyone knows it was sent using quick words. It is a really convenient way to communicate without typing. It also helps you avoid typing mistakes and lets you respond much faster during gameplay. Overall, I think this is a great update from Roblox. What do you think about quick words? Let me know in the comments. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.